Designed to easily restore worn, weathered wood and remove failed coatings on decks, wood siding, and hardwood floors. Refinish your deck in a day. This training video will provide you some simple guidelines to maximize your success when using the Dymabrush for Wood Decks and Siding tool. The tool is for use on wooden surfaces only and designed for rotary angle grinders with a 5/8 inch arbor and with a maximum speed of 10,000 RPMs. Remove or hammer down screws, nails, warp boards to make the surface as flat as possible. Always use a dust containment shroud while operating the tool. To install the tool to the angle grinder, make sure the grinder is unplugged, then spin the tool clockwise onto its 5/8 inch arbor until snug. Always inspect the nylon disc for damage. Then make sure the diamond blades are fastened tightly. Do not tilt or heel the hand grinder on its edge. Blade wear will vary based upon the coating being removed, as well as the coarseness of the wood being sanded. Thick, aggregate-filled deck coatings will wear the blades down at a faster rate than paint, stain, or bare wood. Always operate the deck tool with proper personal protective equipment. Using a vacuum will eliminate airborne dust. Start the spinning tool on the grinder while it's off the surface of the wood, then slowly lay the tool flat against the surface. It is also recommended to operate the tool in a right to left direction while floating the tool in a circular motion gently on the surface. For decks with uneven boards, operate the tool on one board at a time. Use very light pressure. Excessive pressure can damage the blades or stop the blades from working effectively.
It's there in plain sight. No matter how much you brush them, wherever they go, they leave a trail. But there's a solution. The Dust Buster Advanced Clean Plus with pet attachment makes pet hair vanish. But that's not all. Easily remove the pet attachment, and this versatile Dust Buster now cleans in tight spaces, so nothing is out of reach. And with a one-touch, easy empty dustbin, you'll finish in record time. The Dust Buster Advanced Clean Plus, for those who love their pets and a clean home. Black & Decker.
From the Non-Conductive Tool Company, 6 functions, 2 tools, total control. Introducing VoltClaw, a lightweight, time-saving hand tool designed to safely handle electrical wires. The VoltClaw is essential equipment for any electrician's tool belt for safely reaching into junction boxes, switches, and breaker and service panels in any residential, commercial, or industrial wiring system. As is standard procedure before any job, make sure to turn off power at the breaker box and check the contacts with your voltage detector. The VoltClaw pulls wire, bends wire, loops wire, and reloads boxes with ease. 2 tools, total control. With its lightweight ergonomic design, the VoltClaw is revolutionary in its design and simplicity. Whereas metal tools such as lineman pliers conduct electricity and often destroy the wire insulation, the VoltClaw handles wire much better than conventional metal tools, built for ease and convenience. With 2 models to choose from, the VoltClaw 12 gauge expertly handles and manipulates 12 to 14 gauge wire, perfect for residential and light commercial applications. It's a non-conductive tool designed to pull, bend, loop, loosen both winged wire nuts and ribbed wire nuts, and easily load boxes with its innovative V-groove tip. The VoltClaw Multi-Gauge is the industrial model designed to handle 6 to 14 gauge wire. With an innovative hook, sliding thumb mechanism, and grab claw, the Multi-Gauge VoltClaw is the perfect tool to pull wire from junction boxes and service panels. And combined with the 12-gauge VoltClaw, the two work side by side in a variety of applications.
Wera's Rapidaptor is a universal bit holder that makes it easier, faster, and more efficient to change out bits in hand and power tools. Rapidaptor's compact design provides a multitude of benefits. Both insert and power bits insert easily with no adjustment, and a self-locking mechanism efficiently secures the bit to the holder. Just as quickly, you can remove and change bits. Even small sizes can be changed easily. No extra tools are required. The quick-release chuck is even easy to operate with just one hand. The free-spinning outer ring stabilizes the screwdriver with no damage to the hand. With the addition of the ring magnet feature, Rapidaptor is perfect for overhead work. The floating, free-spinning magnetic sleeve holds screws firmly for high-speed positioning, even long or heavy screws. Rapidaptor, another innovation from Wera.
Knipex diagonal cutters easily cut nails and all types of wire with high-performance precision. Available with a straight or angled head, these handheld 8 and 10-inch cutters have a high-leverage axle design that requires 25% less effort. Compared to other cutters, Knipex diagonal cutters reduce fatigue when cutting medium to hard wire types. The 12-degree angled head version cuts objects to a near flat finish, while providing increased hand clearance under the tool to avoid scraping knuckles. The diagonal cutters are also available with dual-component comfort handles that are softer where maximum squeezing pressure occurs to further minimize hand stress. Forged from innovative oil-hardened chrome vanadium steel, the Knipex diagonal cutters are lightweight, strong, and long-lasting. They feature a fixed forged axle rivet joint that ensures continuous smooth operation with no weakening or wobbling effect over time. The cutter's precision-matched induction-hardened cutting edges cut a wide range of materials. Users can go from cutting soft copper and aluminum to hardened materials like nails, piano wire, or ACSR wire without changing tools or damaging the cutting edges. The Knipex diagonal cutters are available in 10 different styles to fit a variety of applications.
Drywall axe. Measure, mark, cut. The drywall axe is a time-saving 3-in-1 cutting tool designed for safety, ease, accuracy, and versatility. Easily measure, mark, and cut with one tool that can withstand the demands of home renovation projects. With its built-in heavy-duty measuring tape and secure lock, retractable utility blade, and solid grip, the drywall axe makes it easy to get professional results in less time. No more measuring twice and then cutting. Now you can measure and cut in one easy step. Simply pinpoint the start and determine the width required, then lock it down. Physically transfer your measurement and accurately score your material in a straight and consistent line using the built-in tape measure guide. The durable ABS head and rubberized handle help to maximize the balance and control, giving you a straight, predictable, and precise cut on a variety of building materials. There's a built-in holder for a carpenter's pencil for added versatility, repetitive tasks, or quickly measuring a full-length rip cut. The drywall axe isn't just for drywall. It's useful for anything from the floor of a basement to the roof of a home. It's ideal for floor tile, carpet, linoleum, wood flooring, insulation, wood paneling, hanging pictures and blinds, cutting fabric, foam board, vinyl siding, plywood, ceiling tile, roof shingles, and so much more.